Hello everyone, welcome back. It is Sunday, July the 1st, 2018. And what I am doing is basically getting ready to clean up a very, very dirty, nasty, filthy tractor. I've been spraying in the mud, running in the mud, running up and down the road with mud all over it. And as you can see, the tractor is filthy. It's just nasty, as you see, inside and out. You can see how dirty the glass is, both inside and out. You can see how dirty the cab is, and there's shirts, drink bottles, etc., etc. And like I said, it's just filthy, and it needs to be cleaned up. Why does it need to be cleaned up? Is because it's going to the hayfield tomorrow. We have like a semi weather break. I'm gonna try my best to mow the last 20 acres of first cutting and get it up and get it off my plate. Simple fact is, I am about to get real busy on the vegetable side of things as far as harvest. So we're gonna try to get this knocked out. But yes, this tractor's very nasty. It's not quite ready to go to the hayfield at this point. It needs a bath, number one. I mean, it doesn't have to be spit shined. I'm just going to try to knock most of the dirt and dust off of it because I need to grease it and check all the fluids, etc., etc., etc. Another thing I gotta do, I gotta fix my LED. There's a good chance I may be mowing at night, so I broke a bracket on my LED light bar. You can see the zip ties. Known as emergency repair. Had it on the back of the trailer. Went into a local building supply place. Forgot about their low clearance device and whammo. But as you can see, the tractor is nasty. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get this thing cleaned up, get all fluids checked, get it washed, windows done, etc. Get ready for the hayfield. The thing about the hayfield, I always like to have everything pretty good repair before I hit it, because it is time sensitive. Once you start, there's really no way to stop and restart, so you kind of got to get going, and a broken down piece of equipment can cost you a crop of hay. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to pressure wash it off. We're going to clean the inside of it out, and then we are going to fix our LED light bracket, and then we're going to lube it up, check fluids, clean all the inside out. There's probably a trash bag full of stuff in here. Okay, the New Holland is cleaner. Is it clean? No. Is it spotless? No. The glass is much cleaner. You can actually see through it now. The interior is much cleaner. Is it spotless? No. It's cleaner is the point. But you can actually see that we did wash it. This kind of pressure washed it off. Now, anytime I pressure wash the tractor, I like to immediately grease it afterwards. So if I push any water or anything into bearings or whatever, I can push it back out. But yeah, it's a lot cleaner. Is it spotless? No, it's just cleaner. Now the goal is to put this sucker in the hayfield tomorrow. That's the goal. That's the plan. We will see if nothing don't change. That's our plan. But she's kind of washed off. The windows were killing me. You couldn't see out of them, especially at night or whatever. But and I hate cleaning windows, so. But now it's clean. I did get the LED light bar patched back together. Still gonna have to make a bracket. Didn't have the gumption to do so today, so but it'll be all right. It'll work for now. So anyhow, if you like what we're doing, please subscribe to us, comment, let us know how we're doing, and we will probably see you guys tomorrow in the hayfield. So I'm gonna jump in my cleaner tractor and stick it in the barn for the night. So everyone take care of yourself, and we'll talk to you guys later.